Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a one-page website on Godaddy. First, go and log in to your account. Once inside, on the top right, click on your name, then go to your products. Here, we will build first a website. So go ahead and click on this setup a free website. Now for here, select a feature for that website according to your need. Then, click on Continue. Now, go and type in the business that you have and continue. Now, type in a name for it and continue again. Here, you can add a contact for it or not, and also you can tell a little about that business. Now, just wait for it to build your website. Now that you have it, the next thing that you need to do is to look at this right panel. And here, under website, go to it. And now you will see the different pages that your site have. So to have only a one page, what you need to do is click on the settings icon next to a page. Then go ahead and delete it. And click on the delete button to confirm. Now, go ahead and do that to other pages until you only have one page left. Then in here, you can now go ahead and customize that page as you'd like. You can go and add a section for that and just choose one based on what you need. Then you can also go to theme and change or customize the website or the page to your liking. But that's just basically it. That's how you create a one-page website on GoDaddy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.